Odious, odious, odious. I suggest you leave. Now! Get out of here! Odious, odious, odious. The man admires me so much, he even looks like me. Look, all the way down to that. You should have seen what that fucker looked like before he got a facelift and tried to look like me. Because he admires me so fucking much. Of course, beauty is never quite the same when it's redone. You know, and I'm the original, and I'm the great, I'm so beautiful. Why am I here? I'll tell you why I'm here. Because I've looked high and low, back and forth, up and down for my belt. But it's nowhere to be found. Nowhere. Somebody has my belt, and I want it back. Do you understand me? I got to have my belt with me. I've got to have it. You don't understand. Whoever has my belt, you can never understand what it means to hold something in your hand so precious and so dear and close to your heart. Precious gold, heavyweight gold. I've been champion for almost 2 years now, total, in BACW. And for someone to take that belt away from me without just cause makes me sick. I don't like it one bit. And whoever has my belt, when I find you, you're going to wish you had never taken that belt from me. Because what's mine is mine and stays mine. Do you understand? Of course, you think this is all some sort of game. You have no idea what you got yourself into. Because, I am the sadistic nut. And obviously, whoever took it has no clue who I am or what I'm capable of. They've got to be just out of their fucking mind. They got to be completely stupid to take my belt. Oh, and they're going to keep it hidden. They're playing some fucking mind game. Well, guess what, Buster? I am the master of the mind game. You don't fuck with me. Don't fuck with my belt. You, whoever you are, you better give me my belt back, or I will kill you. And you know what? If this is some big prank, like you're gonna hold on to it wait till Grinder and make your big surprise, like saying, "Oh, look at me! I took Spectre's belt. I took the belt. Look at me! I'm the big person." Hey, I won last year's Grinder, and I'm gonna win it again this year. And whoever took my belt, if I come across you in the Grinder, guess what, buddy? Bleed, fucking bleed. Because my belt is going to stay around my waist for now and for all eternity. When I get to Grinder, not only will I win it, I will also be the first person in BACW history to win back-to-back Grinders. And then, where will that leave everybody else? Who will be able to defeat me. Nobody. Nobody will be able to defeat me. Because I am the sadistic nut. Yes. I am the sadistic nut. The purple-haired freak. Who, by the way, if you can tell, see, look, I've been so fucking intense and looking for my belt. Shit, all the hair dye has gone out of my hair, and this is what's left. But if you think, any of you think you can defeat me, if you think you can defeat me, well, that is only in your dreams.